This is DJI Mini 2 SE, and today I'll show how you can check for the FlySafe updates on this device. First, switch everything on, power everything on, launch the DJI Fly app on your phone, go into settings, first enter the camera view or flying interface, go into settings, here select the about section, then scroll down, find the FlySafe data section, then expand it or unfold it. And we should be able to check for the FlySafe updates here. So once again, go into settings, about. Now I was able to expand the FlySafe data, so here it is. And here just tap at the check for updates button. And you can see new static FlySafe database available, so we can update it, making sure that we always stay on top on the safe flying measures, kinda. So here tap at the update button and wait until your update is downloaded and, well, initialized or downloaded, installed, and acknowledged, whatever. So now let's wait first. So the update has been enrolled successfully. That'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.